Ever wondered about the strange and unusual phenomena that occur in nature? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will take us into the heart of nature's most astonishing wonders. We'll uncover the secrets of 10 natural phenomena that are so extraordinary, they almost don't seem real. From the mesmerizing beauty of bioluminescent waves that paint the ocean with a dazzling light show, to the mysterious sailing stones that move on their own across the desert. We'll explore the startling colors of the rainbow eucalyptus, the unnerving sight of the blood falls, and the breathtaking grandeur of the Great Blue Hole. And that's just a taste of the wonders awaiting us. We'll also venture to the eerie door to hell, the curious fairy circles of Namibia, the geometric marvel of the Giant's Causeway, the surreal hues of the Pink Lake, and the ceaseless spectacle of the everlasting lightning storm. Prepare to be amazed as we journey through the wonders of the natural world. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the enchanting bioluminescent waves. This captivating spectacle is not a work of fantasy, but rather a fascinating natural phenomenon. Tiny marine creatures called dinoflagellates, when disturbed by wave action or other movements, emit a beautiful, ethereal glow, illuminating the ocean with a dazzling blue light. The magic of bioluminescent waves can be witnessed in a few special places around the globe. The most well-known of these is perhaps the Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, which holds the Guinness World Record for the brightest bioluminescent bay. But you can also marvel at this phenomenon in places like the Maldives, Thailand, Australia, and California. The science behind this mesmerizing light show is a defense mechanism. In a world where survival is the name of the game, these microorganisms have evolved to use light as a way to deter or confuse potential predators. A natural light show courtesy of the ocean's tiniest inhabitants. At number 9, we explore the mystery of the sailing stones. These are no ordinary stones. Found in Death Valley National Park in California, these rocks seem to have the uncanny ability to move across the flat desert landscape on their own, leaving long trails etched behind them. The size of these stones varies, some as light as a feather, others as heavy as a man. Many theories have been proposed to explain this bizarre occurrence. Some suggest it's the work of strong winds pushing the stones across the wet, muddy ground. Others believe that ice forming around the rocks could provide a slippery surface for them to slide on. Yet none of these theories have been definitively proven. The sailing stones remain one of nature's most intriguing mysteries. Each stone charts its own path, creating unique, winding trails on the desert floor. It's a sight that leaves you in awe of nature's whimsical play, a geological puzzle that continues to baffle scientists. Coming in at number 8 is the visually stunning rainbow eucalyptus. This extraordinary tree, as its name suggests, doesn't stick to one color. Instead, it flaunts a spectrum of hues, transforming its bark into a living canvas. You might be wondering, how does this happen? Well, it's all down to the tree's unique growth process. As layers of bark shed throughout the year, a palette of vibrant colors is revealed, from blues and purples in the cooler months to oranges and maroons as the temperature rises. It's not just a chameleon, but a timekeeper of sorts. The rainbow eucalyptus can be found in the tropical rainforests of the Philippines, New Guinea, and Indonesia. It's a testament to nature's boundless creativity and a reminder that life, like the bark of this tree, is always changing, always surprising. So next time you're in the tropics, keep an eye out for this natural masterpiece, nature's own art installation. At number 7, we encounter the Eerie blood falls. This strange spectacle is tucked away in the remote reaches of Antarctica, an icy landscape punctuated by a startling cascade of deep crimson red. But don't be alarmed, it's not really blood, but rather a fascinating display of nature's chemistry. You see, the blood falls gets its macabre hue from iron-rich ancient saltwater trapped beneath Taylor Glacier for millions of years. When this briny water seeps out onto the icy surface, it reacts with oxygen in the air to form iron oxides, or rust, if you will. This chemical reaction gives the waterfall its distinctive blood-red color, creating a sight that is as stunning as it is unsettling. Despite the harsh and remote location, the Blood Falls has become a beacon for scientists studying extreme environments and the limits of life on Earth. It's a chilling reminder of nature's mysteries. At number 6, we plunge into the Great Blue Hole. This natural marvel is an underwater sinkhole located off the coast of Belize. It's like a giant pupil in a sea of turquoise, a sight that captivates and mystifies. But how did it form? Well, around 100,000 years ago, during periods of glacial low sea levels, this was a cave. As sea levels rose, the cave flooded, creating this unique formation. Its circular shape stretches over a quarter of a mile across, and it descends into the abyss for more than 400 feet. The Great Blue Hole is a world-class destination for scuba divers who are drawn to its crystal-clear waters and diverse marine life. But it also serves as a stark reminder of the ocean's power to shape our world in astonishing ways. A captivating sight that leaves us in awe of the ocean's depth. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the fiery door to hell. This gaping, fire-filled cavern is not a result of natural geological processes, but rather a testament to human error. The door to hell, also known as the Darvaza gas crater, is located in the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. This fiery spectacle has been burning continuously since 1971, when Soviet geologists exploring for gas reserves accidentally tapped into a cavern filled with natural gas. When the ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, it created a 70-meter-wide crater. To prevent the escape of poisonous gases, the decision was made to set it on fire, expecting it to burn out within a few days. However, the gas reserve was significantly larger than anticipated, and it's been ablaze ever since, earning its dramatic moniker from the locals, a fiery spectacle that lights up the night. At number 4, we explore the magical fairy circles of Namibia. These are mysterious circular patches that dot the arid grasslands like a constellation of stars on Earth. Each circle, a perfect round void surrounded by rings of lush vegetation, creates an otherworldly landscape. But what causes these fairy circles? Theories range from the fantastical to the scientific. Some attribute it to the mythical fairies, hence the name. Others believe it's the work of termites creating subterranean networks, or perhaps a competition for water and nutrients among the vegetation. The circles are primarily found in the Namib Desert, a place where rainfall is scarce and life clings on tenaciously. The fairy circles are a testament to the resilience of life in harsh environments and the mysteries that the natural world holds. As we move on from the magical landscapes of Namibia, we're left with a sense of awe, a natural phenomenon that leaves us wondering about the power of the unseen. Coming in at number 3 is the geometric marvel, the Giant's Causeway. This unique rock formation, located on the northeastern coast of Northern Ireland, is a sight to behold. It features about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, most of which are hexagonal, though some have 4, 5, 7, and even 8 sides. These columns were formed millions of years ago by volcanic activity, but the shaping and polishing were courtesy of the relentless Atlantic Ocean. Now, it wouldn't be a true wonder without a sprinkle of legend, would it? According to Irish folklore, the causeway was built by a giant named Finn McCool so he could cross the sea to Scotland for a showdown with a Scottish rival. Whether you believe in the legend or the science, or perhaps a bit of both, one thing is certain: the Giant's Causeway is a testament to nature's architectural prowess. At number 2, we have the Surreal Pink Lake. Imagine a body of water that's not your typical blue or green, but a vibrant, bubblegum pink. Such a sight might seem like a figment of an artist's imagination, but it's indeed a reality in several parts of the world. The Pink Lake, also known as Lake Hillier, is a saline lake on the edge of Middle Island, the largest of the islands that make up the Research Archipelago in Western Australia. This lake's unique hue is not a permanent fixture. It varies from a blush pink to a vivid flamingo, depending on factors like the time of day, the amount of sunlight, and the viewing angle. So what gives this lake its distinct color? The primary suspects are a specific type of algae, Dunaliella salina, and a bacterium, Halobacterium. These organisms thrive in the lake's high salt content and produce pigments that absorb and use the sunlight, which in turn gives the lake its pink color, a lake that challenges our perception of reality. Finally, at number 1, we have the electrifying, everlasting lightning storm. Imagine a tempest that never ceases, a sky eternally ablaze with lightning. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but a reality in Venezuela, over the mouth of the Catatumbo River. This natural phenomenon, known as the Catatumbo everlasting lightning storm, boasts an incredible 18 to 60 hours of continuous lightning per day. But why does this happen? It's all about the unique geography. The river empties into Lake Maracaibo, surrounded by mountains that trap warm Caribbean winds. As these collide with cooler air from the Andes, it creates an almost perpetual storm. The storm is so consistent, it's been used as a natural lighthouse for centuries, guiding lost sailors home. It's a testament to the raw power and unpredictability of nature, a spectacle that leaves all who witness it in awe. A storm that illuminates the power and mystery of nature. There you have it, the top 10 natural phenomena that don't seem real. From the ethereal beauty of bioluminescent waves to the puzzling phenomenon of the sailing stones, we've journeyed through a world of wonders that stretch the bounds of our imagination. We've marveled at the vibrant hues of the rainbow eucalyptus, felt a chill at the sight of the blood falls, and plunged into the mysterious depths of the great blue hole. We've stood at the fiery door to hell, puzzled over the fairy circles of Namibia, treaded the hexagonal steps of the giant's Causeway, and been left in awe by the surreal hues of the pink lake. And finally, we've witnessed the relentless dance of the everlasting lightning storm. Each of these phenomena, as bewildering as they may seem, are reminders of the extraordinary power and diversity of Mother Nature. They serve as testament to the fact that reality can often be stranger than fiction. Nature constantly surprises us, showcasing its power in the most unusual ways. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.